Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I have yet another clean with me video for you guys. I hope you enjoy it and find a little bit of motivation to clean your own home. So today I'm going to start in my family room. I really need to wash my couch cushion covers because they've been a little neglected lately, and I like to keep up with this because I do let my dogs lay on the couch and I don't want them smelling like dog odor every time I sit down, so I'm just going to continue with that. Now that I have the covers going in the wash, I'm going to move to my bedroom and make the bed up and pick up all the dirty clothes on the floor. So we're having a very random warm day in the middle of winter, and since it's really nice outside, I'm just going to open up some windows around the house just to get some of that fresh air inside. I really like to take advantage of this anytime I get. Now I'm going to work on my bathroom and just do the basics of just cleaning and wiping down the countertops, the sinks, mirror, and toilet. Today I'm going to use my Lysol bathroom spray cleaner for the countertops and the toilet, and my Sprayway glass cleaner for all the mirrors. I have been using the Method bathroom spray and the toilet bowl cleaner, but I found myself liking Lysol products for the bathroom instead. I know I'll probably get some hate comments about it because it's not natural, but it just makes me feel more comfortable using Lysol products in the bathroom.
shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright, like a ricochet.
Now I'm going to straighten up my laundry room just so I can actually walk in here without stepping all over stuff. Then pick up everything around my side door and start another load of laundry. And I've recently been using the new Gain Botanicals laundry detergent in the scent white tea and lavender, and I have been absolutely loving it. Now I'm going to move to the kitchen and just start working on the countertops. Just put away anything that was left out and start working on all the dirty dishes.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright, like a ricochet. It will come back to you.
So my dishwasher is pretty much full right now and I can't fit too much more in there, so I'm just going to hand wash the rest of everything. And I don't like leaving the sink full of dishes once I have cleaned the entire kitchen, just because it bothers me too much to wait to reload everything, and I just want everything cleaned all at once.
Your chin next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin, watching you sleep is comforting.